Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Oppo Reno 7 to an Android device. Start by going into Play Store on both devices and installing free app called Send Anywhere. Then open it. Now you need to choose I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Then repeat all of those steps on the other smartphone. So I accept, confirm, continue, allow. Now select receive on an Android and send on Oppo. Following that, you need to tap on all of those dots and choose send over here. This way you will select all of your files and transfer them. It will take a long time, so I will go with only one photo, just for example. Choose send and click on got it. Over here on an Android, you need to choose no thanks and close this window. As you can see from here, we have two connection ways. We can scan this QR code by tapping on the scanning icon on an Android, choosing while using the app or only this time and pointing our camera at the QR code, but we can also just input this key here and tap on receive. And now, as you can see, my photo was successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!